Hello everyone, this is Lair with Blue Television Games, and I'm going to show you how to install Mega Maker. This is a question we've gotten a lot, and it's one that maybe isn't spelled out quite well enough on the website, because I know a lot of people who are going to want to play Mega Maker are people who don't normally play games on their PC. So I'm going to show you step by step how to get this game installed and start playing right away. So the method I'm going to be showing you is for Windows PCs. This game will work on basically any Windows PC, and the actual process is pretty easy. If you have a Mac or if you're running Linux, then the process gets a little more complicated, and hopefully I can explain that too, but I don't have any hands-on experience having Mega Maker run on Mac or Linux, although I know Darby has been playing on his Mac, so I know it's possible. But starting out first with Windows, you're going to go to mega-maker.com. Right here, that is the official Mega Maker site. Don't download Mega Maker from any other site other than mega-maker.com. Once you're at mega-maker.com, all you have to do is scroll down and click download right here at the bottom. So once you click download right here, you'll be taken to a download page that shows you all of the versions of Mega Maker, as well as some tools that you can use if you want to. So when you go in to download Mega Maker, chances are you're going to want the latest version that's updated the most. And as of the time of this video, that version is 1.0.3. So what you're going to do is go into the download page and then click on version 1.0.3, and a download will start down here in the bottom left. If you're not using Chrome, you might not see it like this. You might have a window that pops up and says, what would you like to do with this file? Save it or open it? And you just need to hit save there and know where your downloaded files go. Now, for most people, downloaded files go into a downloads folder. Okay, so to get to that folder, you would go to C, Users, your name or the computer name, and then Downloads. If you're on Windows 7 through Windows 10, you'll have a little downloads button right over here on the left, and you can just click that instead for a shortcut. Once you go in there, you just find the Mega Maker folder that you just downloaded. The one we just downloaded is 1.0.3, so it's going to look like this. And then what you need to do is right-click it and go down to Extract All. This is a zipped folder, so we have to extract the files before we can use them. When this pops up, just go ahead and hit Extract. By default, this is going to extract the files into the same folder that the Mega Maker zip is downloaded into. So we'll go ahead and just hit Extract there. And then we're going to see a new window pop up. And this window contains those files that were in that zip folder. So now that we have this, Mega Maker application is what we want to run in order to play the game. And that's basically all there is to actually getting the game to run. I'll show you here. There's Mega Maker running in all of its glory. It's really, really simple, surprisingly. But getting to this point can be kind of confusing if you've never done anything like this before. So once you have Mega Maker there, you can make a shortcut to it. You can go down here to Send to Desktop, Create Shortcut, or you can do what I like to do, and that is hit Pin to Taskbar, or it says Unpin because I already have it pinned. You can click Pin to Taskbar here, and what that does is put Mega Maker down here at the bottom of the screen where you can always get to it really easily, and just kind of simplifies things so you don't have to go looking for it every time. The next part of this video is for people who are unable to unzip the files from the folder. If you don't have an option in this menu to extract all, then that means you need something that will be able to extract the files from the zip folder. So go to 7zip.com and download 7zip, which is an app that lets you unzip folders. And then you'll have this new option when you right-click that folder that says 7zip. Then you just go down to Extract Files, and it's basically the same process where you just hit OK in this window, And then the exact same thing happens. For Mac and Linux users, there's a little bit more to talk about here, but I'm not a Mac or Linux user by default, so I can't really speak to those very much. What I can do is put links down in the description, and that's what I've done. So check those links out. You're going to need two things. You need MegaMaker, and you need a program called Wine. Wine is basically a program that recompiles these files in order to play them or use them on different operating systems. So when you download Wine, it's going to take your MegaMaker files that are meant for Windows PCs and convert those to a format usable by a Mac or Linux PC. So hopefully that helps. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments, and I'll try to the best of my ability to answer all of them. And hopefully I can see some of you guys soon in MegaMaker. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.